Welcome to an enlightening episode where we delve into the innovative realm of zero-waste manufacturing processes, exploring the principles, strategies, and real-world applications of this transformative approach to production. In this episode, we'll uncover how zero-waste manufacturing is revolutionizing industry practices, promoting sustainability, and reducing environmental impact. Zero-waste manufacturing processes aim to minimize or eliminate waste generation throughout the entire product lifecycle, from raw material extraction to end-of-life disposal or recycling. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that produce significant amounts of waste, such as scrap materials, byproducts, and emissions, zero-waste processes prioritize resource efficiency, material optimization, and circular economy principles to achieve sustainable production practices. One of the key strategies in zero-waste manufacturing is the adoption of closed-loop systems, where materials are continuously recycled, reused, or repurposed within the production cycle to minimize waste generation. This approach involves designing products and processes with longevity, durability, and recyclability in mind, ensuring that materials remain in circulation for as long as possible, thereby reducing the need for virgin resources and minimizing environmental impact. Furthermore, advancements in material science, recycling technologies, and process optimization have enabled manufacturers to develop innovative solutions for waste reduction and resource recovery. For example, additive manufacturing techniques, such as 3D printing, allow for precise, on-demand production of components, minimizing material waste compared to traditional subtractive manufacturing methods. Additionally, the use of renewable and biodegradable materials, such as plant-based plastics and bio-based composites, offers opportunities to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate environmental pollution associated with conventional plastics and synthetic materials. By incorporating sustainable materials into product design and manufacturing processes, companies can reduce their carbon footprint and promote a more circular and regenerative economy. The potential applications of zero-waste manufacturing processes are vast and diverse, spanning multiple industries and sectors, including automotive, electronics, consumer goods, and construction. In the automotive industry, for example, manufacturers are adopting closed-loop recycling systems to recover and reuse materials from end-of-life vehicles, such as steel, aluminum, and plastics, reducing waste and conserving resources. In the electronics industry, companies are implementing design for disassembly and remanufacturing strategies to facilitate the reuse and recycling of electronic components and devices, extending their lifecycle and minimizing electronic waste. In the consumer goods sector, initiatives such as product stewardship and extended producer responsibility programs are promoting the adoption of eco-friendly packaging materials and sustainable production practices to reduce packaging waste and promote recycling. However, the widespread adoption of zero-waste manufacturing processes faces challenges and barriers, including technological limitations, cost considerations, and regulatory constraints. Companies must invest in research and development, innovation, and collaboration to overcome these challenges and transition towards more sustainable and circular manufacturing models. In conclusion, zero-waste manufacturing processes represent a paradigm shift in industry practices, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional production methods and contributing to the transition towards a circular economy. As companies increasingly prioritize environmental sustainability and resource efficiency, the adoption of zero-waste manufacturing processes is poised to become a cornerstone of responsible and ethical business practices in the 21st century. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of zero-waste manufacturing processes. As we continue to explore the frontiers of sustainability and innovation, let's remain committed to reducing waste, conserving resources, and building a more resilient and regenerative future for generations to come.